What is up, guys? Are you looking for some custom rock sliders for your rock crawler? Maybe you just want to make your truck look a lot cooler, and there are limited options out there. Definitely check these ones out from RuffStuff. Oh. So probably about a year ago now, I actually picked up a rock slider kit from RuffStuff, and I was gonna put them on my Colorado because there weren't a lot of options for the Colorado, and the ones that were available bolted to the body, or they were like those cheap textured ones from Amazon. Not really my thing, and they were super expensive still. So I decided I was gonna make some, and the easiest way to do that without a bender is by getting the ones from RuffStuff. They have a really cool kit, kind of a different looking rock slider, but super tough. RuffStuff makes awesome products, so definitely wanted to pick it up. Actually ended up never using them. Colorado, we ended up trading it in for our CR 3500, and this truck is way too long to be using the same rock slider kit. I decided we'll just give that to Frankie, give him a good deal on it, even better deal than I got, and we're gonna start welding these things up in the driveway so we can get ready to go on a trail run with the 4Runner. So 84-inch kit, here's all the DOM that comes with it. Frankie's getting the level out. What we're trying to do is make some marks on the top of this, so when we make our cuts, we always have the tube oriented straight up in the chop saw. Here's the rest of the pieces. This is what makes this kit so cool, is that basically all the angles are already done. All you've got to do is make the chop on the tubing. So these end caps would just go on like that after you make your cuts. Bunch of gussets that look like this. They're already bent on the side, so super cool. You don't have to do any tube notching. You don't have to do any tube bending. You just have to make those 45-degree angle cuts. Got the Jeep fender for the deflection of sparks. Really hot day out here. Cardboard box didn't work so well. So making straight cuts on something round can be a little tricky. So this is how we're doing it. We're making one cut on its own, and now Frankie's gonna line up the cut we made with the blade. Flip it around. Yeah, that's good. I'll hold this edge. He's lining up the previous cut with the edge of the blade, and then we're gonna line up these two edges. Okay, so now I gotta spin this bottom one. All right, slider's all welded up. Now Frankie's marking where all the frame plates are gonna go. There's 4 on each side, and then we've got our 4 support bars, and they all have to be kind of angled up a little bit, and then this one in the front is at an angle horizontally too, so that one's got to have 2 cuts in it, but we're making progress. Frame gussets on the frame, and this is where we're going to leave the tube. Sticking out a pretty good amount, but still an inch under the door, so there's some flex allowed. So we were in a little bit of a time crunch to get these rock sliders welded up and on the 4Runner because I invited Frankie to go on ZukiCon with me. On the Rubicon, you definitely need as much armor as you can get, so we wanted to get these rock sliders on first. Because of that, well, we didn't really get time to prep them for paint or paint them, so he went with them bare, and it was fine. We went through water and everything. They saved his body down there a couple times. They didn't get any rust or anything on them, which is great, and they look really good bare. But it's time to throw that paint on there, and as you can see with that paint, they look awesome. So if you need a totally custom length rock slider, or maybe you want to get a better deal on them, or you're more of a DIY kind of person, these rock sliders are awesome. When you go for a sale, like on RuffStuff, they have a Labor Day sale, or in my case, it was a Black Friday sale. You can get a really good deal on these things. Definitely check those out. I'll put links down in the description for you guys to look at them. Thanks for checking out this video. See you guys in the next one.